Hey guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? It's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today guys, we're going to talk a little bit about me, okay? I'm going to just let you guys know a little bit about myself, okay? So, guys, yes, when I was growing up, guys, I always wanted to become a supermodel like Tyra Banks. Okay, so the thing is, like when while you're in school and then you try to do like other stuff, it's kind of hard. For me, I was growing up with my when I was with high school, and then I was with my parents, and then so I wanted to become a supermodel. I wanted, yes, because when I was watching the American Next Top Model, watching Tyra Banks on this stage, and then yes, and it was my dream to become a model. On top of that, and while I was in high school, and then I was just going through auditions, and then go to New York, California, and then down here in Miami Beach to meet people. And yes, so it was a lot of work while you were in school, So I finish up my high school, and then I go to college and finish up my college, and then I have my degree, and then now I have my own business going on. I have Shelby's Fine Cuisine Catering, and then I have my online retail store going on, Shelby retail store. Yes, and now I have like my own family, guys. So the reason why I didn't really go after my modeling career, guys, it's because like as I mentioned before, like when you in school and then you don't really know like much about, especially you have to do a lot of traveling, and then some people that ask you for money to, let me tell you something, especially young girls, you guys don't spend no money, because whenever you go to an agency, and then they first thing they're gonna say, they're gonna ask you for money. All you just need your comp cards, okay? You just that you're gonna spend some money for that. That's what I did, and then I have my comp card, and then this is the front, and then this is the back, okay? So wherever you go, they're gonna ask you for that, and then you have to give them one of that. Each person, like, you have to give one agent it, or like one of this, okay? So you have to have that, okay? And then your portfolios thing, and then your book thing, you're gonna have to spend money for that, okay? Other than that, you don't have to spend no money, okay? To make long story short, guys, yes, I had to move. One agency, they wanted me to move to New York, and then at that time I was so young, and I was still in school. My parents didn't want me to, go on, move out on my own, and then go somewhere I didn't even know nobody, and with every bad thing going on, and then they just like they didn't really want me to, be on my own. And yes, guys, one more thing, like, yes, if you really 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 want to do something, you have to go after it. But me, the thing is, I was just like focusing about my school, and then so I didn't really really put my focus on my modeling thing. So yeah, so if you really want to do something, you have to go after it, guys. Yes, so one thing I'm going to show you guys, and cooking, this is my passion too. I love food, so that's why I have my YouTube channel, and then I'm cooking, doing my all my cooking, and then to share with you guys my favorite, my delicious food, so you guys can get something, like learn something out of it, like so it's never too late to learn. So yes, so for my book, guys, I'm going to show you guys some of my pictures. Okay, this is one. I don't know if you guys really can see it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take them out of the book so you guys can get a nice view. Okay, this is one. Okay, and this is another one. Okay, so yes, guys, I have to get them out so you guys, because that book is too heavy. Okay, this is another one. Those pictures, guys, I took them when I was in New York. Okay, this is another one. Okay, and another one. Guys, it's really really important, guys, to have your parents next to you whenever wherever you're going. It's very very important, guys. Always have somebody with you when you're going wherever you're going. And then this is another one, especially when you're going to see agents, like people, you're going to meet with people. Yes, you have to have your parents. or anybody. And this is another one. So guys, Tyra Banks, I used to watch her show a lot, guys. When I was a little girl, American Next Top Model, yes, that was one of my favorite TV shows, guys. I used to love that show. And then this is another one. Okay, I wish I was gonna be, because guys, at that time I even auditioned for American Next Top Model, and the thing is I didn't have my US passport at that time. I had my green card, but you know, for you to travel all over the world you have to have your American passport. I didn't have that. Okay, so that's why at that time I said, oh my god. And I had a good audition, guys. That day was so perfect. So I just like, this is the one thing I regret, because I didn't have my passport. Yes, so, and this is another picture, guys. Okay, so I wish I had the opportunity to be on American Next Top Model. And yes, okay, and yeah, guys, if I keep this, it's a lot of pictures, guys. You see that? So yes. And one more thing, guys, I'm just for my cooking, I'm just like Food Network. This is one of TV shows that every time I'm cooking, like I just like watching the people when they cooking, and it looks very nice. I just like wanna be on that TV show. Like to see myself cooking with this chef. Guys, it's just like very nice. Okay, so, and one more thing, guys, when it, like as I mentioned before, whenever you want to pursue your dream, you have to go for it. Okay, so don't let nothing or nobody stopping you from pursuing your dream. Okay, so you have to go after it. Okay, so yes, I wanted to share that with you guys. So yes, I just wanted to let you guys know a little bit about me. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for being with me, and remember to share all my videos with your family and friends, and let everybody know about this channel, guys. If you are new to my channel, we do everything on this channel, guys, cooking, and then we talk about stuff and we have fun. Okay, so, and I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers, to, you know, all of you guys supporting me, and please keep supporting this channel. Okay, and yes, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Whenever I'm coming with a new video, you guys can get the notification. Okay, so have a wonderful day, guys. And one thing, guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, and have a wonderful day. Thank you for being with me. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.